We have come to our dacha. Alex is already here.
Привет, YouTube! Мы приехали на нашу дачу.
Here, guys, I planted garlic, and look, it started to grow. Лук начал прорастать, Лёш. Look, guys, how many hills from the moles. Or someone else, I don't know who made them. A lot of them here, also there. Our dacha pond is covered with ice. Of course, it is possible to check the thickness of the ice, but the circumstances can be not very happy. And also some ice on the path. Some time ago I watched a video on YouTube about a German dacha community. That was a surprise for me that Germans also have dacha communities. So that is the piece of land where they go on weekends, they can plant something, but there the German owner of the dacha said that they have very strict laws. For example, if you have the land, 1/3 must be under the garden, 1/3 that is the lawn, and 1/3 where you can plant something. And the house can be only not very big. And also I was surprised that it is not allowed to live constantly at dacha. Sometimes I read questions if it is possible to live all year round, and I was surprised that such questions appear under my videos. But now I understand that not everywhere people can live at their dachas, in their property all year round. Here, guys, no such laws. If you have the land, if you have the house, no one can tell you that you cannot live here 365 days a year, so it's up to you. But here not very many people live at dacha constantly, because that is rather problematic, because first of all you must have a car, because without your private car, so it's difficult to get somewhere, because here the bus stop nearby, but to get to that bus stop also approximately 15 minutes. And those buses, they run on some schedule that is very seldom. So you have to wait for 30 minutes and longer. Not very convenient. Also, you have to pay for the heating. Here we have no gas in our dacha community, and to heat with electricity rather expensive. And besides, here not very many people live, and I do not know if it is comfortable to sit in the house when no one around you, and the nearest neighbor will be 5 minutes walk on foot from you. But some areas in our dacha community are rather popular for winter life, especially with those who have brick houses. Some owners here live here constantly, but the majority of people just come from time to time, and they spend only weekends here. But the majority of dacha owners start the season in April and finish in September, October. and only during summer season a lot of people live here permanently. Also, such dachas are popular with small kids because grandpa and grandma and their grandchildren spend summer holidays in dacha communities. Let's go to check Ded Timofey's dacha. The whole family works here. Yeah, not bad, very clean everything. Yeah. Птички поют, Лёш. Хорошо, да?
Весна.
Весна.
Весенняя погода.
Что?
Весенняя погода.
Весенняя, да. Ну куда пойдем? Сюда пойдем?
Пошли.
Ну пойдем сюда. As for the food, it is not a problem to order the delivery from the shop. As for the medical help, also is not a problem, but usually in the city ambulance comes faster than in dacha community. But in general, guys, to live in your own house, it is more expensive. And if you do not like to work, you have to hire someone, and that is of course some extra expenses. Что ты, Алёш, сказал?
Я смотрю, вон домик построили.
Домик поставили. Ну, пойдем покажем. During the summertime, they were building the house very quickly. It took them approximately several weeks. The professionals work fast. Especially, I think that is some ready house.
Симпатично.
Стандартный, наверное, да?
Ну нет, я бы не сказал, потому что окна большие, видишь, у него.
Ну, это стандартный. Этот просто распил побольше окна, сделаешь и все, выпил.
Ну это не типовое, скажем так, проект.
Ну, не типовой, но вообще обычный.
Ну,
Ничего
обычный.
такого. Просто больше размеры окон. Alex says big windows. That is not very typical for the house. Yeah, usually people put small windows. In old village houses, usually small windows because of the heating. And the windows, that is the thing that makes the house colder. But now the new technologies, the new windows, and that is not a big problem. Also, guys, the new thing that appears this year, we have to pay for the garbage. The new law appeared, and starting from this year we have to pay for the garbage. We always paid, but now the law that regulates how much every dacha owner has to pay. Once a year we have the meeting of our dacha community. This year I think it will be somewhere in spring, and then we will have a clear picture of how much we have to pay for the garbage. As for the taxes, we pay them in December, also once a year. Those people who have just land, they pay property tax on land. Those who have buildings and the buildings are registered, they also pay property tax on the buildings. But if you see the building, that doesn't mean that it is registered. Here the situation with registration is unclear. Some people register buildings, some not. That is why when you see the big house, it doesn't mean that the owner pay taxes. Alex, green grass. The birds are singing, the ticks
Весна.
awoke. I wanted to go to the forest, but Alex is totally against it. He is afraid of the ticks.
No.
No,
No forest.
no forest.
No.
Alex is a big fan of forest, by the way. No forest. No. We decided not to put drops on Sheffy because in a few days will be minus temperature, and as Sheffy is an old dog, that is not good for him. So usually we start vaccination anti-tick season somewhere in April or at the end of March. So, but this year it can start early. Also, guys, about the plants that people grow, usually young people do not grow much. As for old generation, they usually plant a lot of tomatoes, cucumbers, a lot of greenery such as parsley, dill, onions. So, but young generation usually buys everything in the supermarket. But this year, guys, potatoes is incredibly expensive. About 2 times more expensive than last year. It was 20 rubles per 1 kilogram, and this year 52 rubles. So let it be 50 rubles. So that is more than 2 times. Maybe this year people will plant more potatoes, and in general people will plant more. But I have to say, if you do not like it and if you do not know how to do it, that is not very profitable. Several years ago I planted sweet potatoes. Even gophers laughed when they saw my harvest. The best harvest was during the first year, but one of the gophers, so that is how I call them, I think that was some mole or someone else, I don't know the name of that animal, so that animal killed all my harvest. And then during several years the harvest was very bad. And several years ago I stopped to plant sweet potatoes. I don't know whether I cannot plant it, or the soil is bad, or something else. Maybe the weather is not suitable. So I stopped those experiments, and now I go to Vkusville and buy there. The result is more predictable. Alex says now instead of planting sweet potatoes we plant strawberry. So Alex has several flower beds, 5 if I'm not mistaken, 5 flower beds, and this year he wants to get extremely good harvest.
Посмотрим, да, посмотрим, не будем загадывать. Вот, но мы надеемся.
Yeah. Alex wants to devote all his free time to planting, to growing strawberry. So guys, hope you enjoyed the small walk in our local winter village. The last day of January 2025, +9, the sunshine, the green grass, the birds are singing. Wonderful winter weather. I cannot say that I'm very disappointed because I hate cold temperatures, but well, that is not good for plants. So guys, hope you enjoyed this small walk with us. Subscribe if you would like to follow our life. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you soon. Пока.